Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to create a cleaning invoice. Straight up online. Also, I'll provide a walkthrough how to fill out the form. For that reason, we are going to use a legal template. A link is underneath this video in the description, so you have to click on the link. It will take you to the precise location where you should start this journey with me. What we want to do is hover over the business forms and this pop-up window will show up. We want to go to the bottom right part of the pop-up window, which is view all business forms. Straight away, legal templates are gonna provide you with tons of forms, but we have to pick just one. The fastest way how to reach to it is using the search engine, which is cleaning invoice. We're gonna go with Invoice. You can preview the PDF, and then if it's all okay with you, we gonna create the document. Invoice information, invoice number 01, account number. Let's go with not available, since I'm not feeling too well sharing my personal information. Purchase number or purchase order NA. Next, let's go. Who are you sending the invoice to? Cleaning company, billing address, city, state, Texas, for example. Phone number, and also if there's a specific contact person, you can address it as well. Next, the shipping address different from the billing. No. Next, what is your name? So there is going to be your informations. Next, fax number or email, also of yours. Then, what are the items to be included in this invoice? Remember, cleaning is mainly service. So basically, let's say cleaning offices of 200 square meters. Quantity, or let's go with description. Quantity 200 square meters. Unit price, let's go with $50 a meter, for example. I don't know what's the prices. Next, how much is the sales tax percentage? Next, how much is shipping? In shipping, I believe this is not the right way to address it, because I believe you can't really ship this. Next, other charges, no. Is there a discount? No. Payment, cash, for example, on a specific date, and then you basically pick the date. Shipping date, do you want to include a shipping date? No, because it's a service. Next, comment or instructions. Are there additional comment or special instructions you would like to include? No. And then we have two options basically: to preview it, to check everything if it match, and then close preview, or save it and download it. At the end of this road, you can also choose the premium trial or free trial. If you are up to create more forms or more legal forms, I strongly recommend you picking the $1 per 7 days, which is basically a bargain, which is next to nothing. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any types of questions, please leave a like or leave a comment underneath. Thanks again, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.